Imagine embarking on a journey that not only reshapes your body, but also transforms your mental clarity and emotional well-being. This is what happens when you swear off sugar for a month, a change so profound, it's like hitting a reset button on your health. Here's the video how this sweet escape can revitalize your life. Weight loss wonderland. Imagine your body as a bustling city where sugar acts like rush hour traffic, constantly jamming up the works. Cut out sugar, and it's like opening a brand new freeway. Weight loss becomes smoother and faster. When you ditch the sweets, you not only reduce calorie intake, but also minimize insulin spikes, leading your body to burn stored fat instead of clinging to new calories. This metabolic shift significantly reduces body fat, especially harmful visceral fat around your abdomen, which is linked to serious health issues like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. The process enhances not just your physical appearance, but also your overall metabolic health, turning your body into a more efficient energy-burning machine. Heart health harmony. Saying goodbye to sugar is like giving your heart a breath of fresh air. Reducing sugar intake decreases inflammation and the workload on your arteries, preventing plaque buildup that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Numerous scientific studies have shown that lower sugar consumption results in healthier blood lipid profiles, including decreased triglycerides and LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol. It's like turning back the clock on your heart's age, paving the way for a longer, healthier life. This dietary change not only enhances your cardiovascular health, but also boosts your overall longevity and quality of life by preventing some of the most common and deadly health issues. Blood sugar ballet. Eliminating sugar sets the stage for a beautiful dance of balanced blood sugar levels. Without the highs and crashes induced by sugar, your body can maintain energy more consistently throughout the day. This newfound stability is instrumental in curbing cravings and avoiding the common pitfalls of overeating, which often result from sudden dips in blood sugar. Imagine your day without those abrupt energy drops, far more productive and smooth, right? It's like sailing through calm seas with no storms in sight, where each wave of energy gently takes you to the next without the risk of a sudden crash. This steady state not only improves your daily function, but also supports long-term health benefits by reducing the risk of diabetes and other metabolic syndromes. Mental clarity carnival. Ditching sugar can feel like stepping out of a foggy carnival into clear daylight. The high that sugar provides is fleeting, often followed by a crash that leaves your brain feeling foggy. Reducing sugar intake can diminish these spikes and crashes, stabilizing your mood and cognitive function. This clearer mental state can dramatically reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, as confirmed by studies that link high sugar consumption with worsened mental health conditions. It's like clearing the clouds of a stormy day, allowing you to enjoy life with enhanced clarity and happiness. The result is not just a healthier body, but a more serene, focused mind. Digestive delight. Reducing your sugar intake is like sending your digestive system on a luxurious spa retreat. Consuming too much sugar can lead to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria in your gut, disrupting the delicate balance of your microbiome. This imbalance often manifests as bloating, gas, and indigestion, making everyday meals less enjoyable and more problematic. When you cut sugar from your diet, you starve these harmful bacteria while fostering the growth of beneficial gut flora. Rebalancing your gut microbiome in this way can lead to noticeable improvements in digestive health, reducing symptoms of discomfort and enhancing nutrient absorption. This change is essentially your digestive system thanking you for easing its workload and allowing it to function more efficiently. Skin renewal revel. Reducing sugar intake has transformative effects on your skin, much like turning back time for your body's largest organ. Sugar's role in the diet is more sinister than sweet when it comes to skin health. It contributes to the glycation process where sugar molecules bond with proteins like collagen and elastin, which are crucial for keeping skin firm and elastic. This glycation leads to premature wrinkles and sagging, as it disrupts the normal function of these skin-supporting proteins. By cutting out sugar, you essentially halt the glycation process, allowing your skin to maintain its natural resilience and smoothness. This is critical not only for aesthetics, but also for the overall health of your skin barrier. Furthermore, sugar is a pro-inflammatory agent, and its high intake is associated with inflammation throughout the body, including the skin. This inflammation can exacerbate conditions like acne and rosacea, making the skin appear red, swollen, and uneven. Cancer shield. Lowering your sugar intake acts like fortifying your body's defenses against certain cancers. Sugars provide fuel to cancer cells, particularly in fostering an environment that supports cancer cell growth and proliferation. Reducing sugar consumption can starve these cells, potentially slowing their growth or decreasing the risk of their development. This proactive measure is akin to cutting off the enemy's supply lines in a battle, enhancing your body's ability to protect itself from cancer. This strategic dietary adjustment not only supports general health, but also builds a stronger defense against this serious disease. Liver lifesaver. Reducing sugar intake can significantly lighten the load on your liver, much like cutting out alcohol. This is particularly crucial because excessive sugar can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which mimics the effects of alcohol-related liver damage. By decreasing sugar, you allow your liver the space and time to repair and rejuvenate. This recovery process not only enhances its ability to function metabolizing nutrients and detoxifying the body, but also improves its overall resilience. Think of it as a wellness vacation for your liver, where it gets a chance to restore its health and vigor, ensuring it operates at peak efficiency. Sleep serenity. Sugar's impact on sleep is primarily due to its effect on blood sugar levels, causing significant fluctuations that can lead to energy spikes and sudden crashes. This roller coaster not only affects your daytime energy, but also severely disrupts your sleep patterns. High sugar intake can delay the onset of sleep and prevent the deep, restorative stages of sleep necessary for optimal health. By eliminating sugar from your diet, you help stabilize your blood sugar levels. This stability allows your body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm, to normalize. Normalizing your circadian rhythm is crucial because it regulates all aspects of your sleep-wake cycle, from when you feel sleepy to the quality and duration of your sleep. The result of reducing sugar intake is deeper, more restful sleep. Lifestyle transformation triumph. Cutting sugar from your diet goes beyond just immediate health improvements. It can be the spark that ignites a sweeping transformation across all aspects of your lifestyle. When you reduce sugar intake, the first changes are physical. You might lose weight and feel more energetic. But the benefits quickly extend to mental and emotional realms. Clarity, focus, and mood stability can improve as the body adjusts to more stable blood sugar levels, free from the roller coaster of highs and lows caused by a high-sugar diet. This improvement in physical and mental health creates a positive feedback loop. Feeling better physically often leads to better decision-making about diet and exercise, which in turn leads to even better health. Emotionally, the stability and clarity can make it easier to handle stress and make proactive choices for well-being. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health hacks and tips. Got any sugar-free success stories? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Stay sweet without the sugar, and see you next time.